friends. Okay, if you are like I am and you do not like green bean casserole the way most people in the South make it, you're in for a treat. I'm about to make my friend Marie's Italian green bean casserole, but there's no canned soup, no canned onion rings. You use Italian green beans. They are the flat cut, and it's a very specific cut, and that's what you use for your green beans, and you do drain them. I'm sorry, the sun's coming in a bold way. Okay, so we've got these drained, and then you have artichoke hearts, and I have drained these, and I have seasoned them with a little thyme and sea salt and black pepper, and also squeezed the juice of a lemon over the artichokes. Okay, and then I've cut some celery. I've chopped it really fine. And then there are 3 cloves of garlic somewhere chopped in there. And then, y'all, I went ahead and bought this pre-made. I'm gonna use about half of this for the sauteed onion. And then Marie uses gluten-free breadcrumbs. I am going to use these seasoned. They're seasoned with Romano. We don't have anyone gluten-free in our family, so we're gonna use those. And the first thing that I'm going to do is saute the celery and the onion and the garlic. And then we're gonna put everything together. And actually this is something that you can freeze. And since it's the Sunday before Thanksgiving, I'm gonna put all this together for the freezer. So stay tuned and I'll check right back. Okay, everybody, I put some extra virgin olive oil. Currently I'm using a premium from Trader Joe's. So I'm sauteing the celery, the onion, and then there's some chopped fresh garlic in here. So I'm gonna saute this. I went ahead and put the salt, pepper, and thyme seasoning on it. So I'm gonna saute these until they're tender, and then we will add everything else and finish the dish. I now have my sauteed vegetables right here. And then here are the green beans. And there are the artichokes. They're all in the bowl. And I'm going to now add the Romano cheese and the breadcrumbs. And I'm gonna stir it all up and then put it in this dish that I have sprayed with extra virgin olive oil. This with gloved hands. You can use a big old spoon, but I just like mixing things like this. So hang on and I'll check right back. I'm sorry, I'm literally dying over the way this dish looks and smells. And my lighting is not great, but y'all, it looks like artichoke dip. And it smells cheesy and fabulous. And y'all, goodbye green bean casserole. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do now is I am going to cover this. I'm gonna put a little cling wrap. Just press it down. Then I'm gonna wrap it really well with some aluminum, heavy duty aluminum foil, and I'm just gonna stick it in the freezer. And then Thursday, I'm gonna pull it out, and Marie said what she does, and this is her recipe. She adds a little more Romano. And y'all, this is 1 carton of the Belgioso. I took out a cup, and this is what's left. So this is the perfect size container. So I'll sprinkle this on top. And then she says she sprinkles it with some more EVOO and then bakes it. And the recipe is on the blog, so you'll see the temperature to bake it. But y'all, fabulous green bean artichoke, Italian green bean artichoke casserole.